Hello, guys. Welcome to the Resultant, your faculty driven institute. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the complete analysis of CBT 1 examination for the RRB JE. And I'm going to discuss the safe cutoff, safe score for the CBT 2 examination. And we will discuss the CBT 2 discussion related to the batches which we are going to release on our application resultant. Okay. So I request everyone, please like, share, and subscribe our channel Resultant AEG. Okay, and also you can join my Telegram group. Let's crack AEG. Okay, so in this Telegram group, you will get the different class notifications. You will get the PDFs. You will get the notes. You will get the clearing doubts by the expert. Okay, so the cutoff criteria for the RRB JE depends upon the number of applicants appeared in the shift and the number of posts for different zones. And it will also depend upon the difficulty level of the paper. That is the difficulty level of the paper. How the level of questions were discussed in the different shifts of the examination. Okay. So if we check the difficulty level of the papers, if we check the difficulty level of the papers, so on 16th of the December, fifth one, the level of the paper was easy. Okay, the level of the paper was discussed as easy. Okay, guys, and for the shift two, it was also medium. It was also easy level. It was also easy level. So all the shift is from 3 days. Okay, all the shift is that is the third shift from all the days. The paper difficulty was moderate level. Okay, it was a little bit on the tough side. Okay, so there will be the high cutoff for shift third in all the day examinations. Okay, so this is 17th December cutoff. Okay, shift one was easy, shift two was easy, and also the shift three were moderate level. Okay, so there was a little bit difficulty in the general paper, that is the current affairs. Okay, and also there were the lot of questions asked from the reasoning. So on 18th December the same trend was followed, that is for the shift one, the examination was easy level, and for the shift two the level of paper was easy also, and for the shift third, the again the level was moderate level. Okay, little bit on the tougher side. Okay, so now as the examination is conducted in the shifts, okay, that in the six shifts, so you won't get the exact marks. There will be the normalization. Okay, now what is the normalization? What is the normalization? So in the normalization, final score depends upon the normalized score. Okay, it depends upon the normalized score. What is the normalized score? In the normalized score, okay, the examiners check the difficulty level of the papers. The difficulty level of the papers. Okay, the examiners check the number of applicants in that shift. Okay, the number of applicants in that shift, and also the normalized score depends on the percentage of the applicants to be selected in that shift. Okay, so let us suppose there are six shifts or nine shifts, sorry, and in these nine shifts, let us suppose top 10 percentile students are okay or asked for or taken for the CBT2 examination. Okay, so this will also influence the normalized score. Okay, a student which is getting the simple or easy paper, okay, cannot get the exact score which he has scored. Rather he will, okay, the marks will be deducted, the marks will be deducted from his examination. So I'm taking an example. A candidate scores 50 out of 100 marks. Okay, so the level was easy, so he won't get the 50 marks, remember that. Okay, so he will get 3 to 5 marks lesser than 50. Okay, and also on the other hand, I have the student who has scored 50 marks, but the level was moderate or difficulty level of the paper, so he will get 55 marks, he can get 54 marks. So his marks will be increased according to these factors. that is the difficulty level of paper or the number of applicants in that shift, and the percentage of the candidates to be selected for the next examination. Okay, so this normalized score can be different. Now, on the basis of the marks obtained, the student which has obtained the marks, the cutoff is here provided. The cutoff is here provided. Okay, so on the shift one, for the shift one, which was on the 16th, 17th, and 18th. Okay, the cutoff marks will be around 69. Okay, cutoff marks, I'm saying marks will be around 69. And the shift to on 16th, 17th, and 18th December, the cutoff will be around 68 marks. The cutoff will be around 68 marks. Okay, and for the shift third, that is the 16th, 17th, and 18th, the paper level was little bit difficult. The paper level was little bit difficult. So the marks level will be okay. It will be 58 only. The cutoff will be around 58. Okay. So this is based on the marks which a student has obtained in the examination. Okay, in the examination. Now we'll discuss the cutoff based on normalized score. Obviously, the student which is getting the easy paper, okay, so he will not get the exactly number of marks. So if he has scored 69 marks, so he will get 65 marks because the level was easy. Okay, and these are the cutoffs based on the normalized score. The open merit, the cutoff will be predicted from 65 plus minus 2. Okay, and based on the OBS and EWS candidates can consider himself same if he scores around 62 plus minus 2 marks. Okay, so remember, this is normalized score. This is not the cutoff. Okay, this is not the marks which we have obtained from the examination. Okay, so STSC students are also given here. Okay, so this was the normalized score based on the marks obtained. Okay, based on the marks obtained. Okay, guys. Now, so what we have for you on our application? What we have for you on our application? So for the CBT2, we have the batch going, which is called as AIM batch, which is classes are conducted in English language. Okay. So I think we have finished the two subjects. Okay. So you'll get the 400 hours of live classes in our batch. You'll get the PYQs and the quiz solutions also. You'll get the test series and the doubt solving solutions. Okay, and all you have to do, you have to install the resultant app from the Play Store. Okay, from the Play Store, or if you need the further support, you can contact these numbers provided here. You can contact these numbers provided here. Okay, guys. Okay, so these are our app features. So you can get complete class handouts. So whatever is taught in the class, so you will get the complete class notes. Okay, you will get the class polos also. You will get the class polos also. You will get the daily practice problems also. Okay, we are discussing the daily practice problems, and the educator support is there always. Okay, you can contact, the numbers are provided directly. You can contact the educator. Okay, you'll get the live classes there. You'll get the study material PDF format. You'll get the unlimited courses there. Okay, and you will get the top educators on our platform. Okay, and also we have the books available for CBT1. Now the CBT1 is over, so don't think of that. Okay, don't think of that. But for the CBT2, it also includes the non-tech part, that is the physics, chemistry. Okay, now the level will be a little bit different from the CBT1. So the complete package will be available in our AIM bag. That is the CBT2 non-tech part and the technical part. Okay. All you have to do, you have to download our application and contact these numbers if you need the support. Okay. So this was the cutoff. This was the cutoff. This was the cutoff based on normalized score. This was the cutoff based on the what? Based on the marks obtained. Remember, these are not exact cutoff. These are the predicted cutoffs based on the number of applicants, based on the difficulty level. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much. Keep joining, keep sharing. Okay. And also subscribe our channel. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you for being with us. Thank you so much. Thank you.